Hey travelers, summer's calling and it's the perfect time to hit the road or jet off somewhere new. With airfares dropping and gas prices steady, travel is more accessible than it's been in years. Whether you're road tripping across the US or finally booking that European getaway, the key is making your budget work smarter. It's not about spending less, but about spending wisely so you can experience more and stress less. Today, I'll share my top hacks for affordable, unforgettable summer adventures. Grab your coffee and let's dive in. Here are 3 genius ways to stretch your summer travel budget. First up, timing is everything. When it comes to travel, the dates you choose can dramatically impact your budget. Flexibility with your travel dates can save you hundreds. Being open to different days or even weeks can unlock significantly lower prices. Avoid peak days like Fridays and Saturdays. These are the most popular travel days, and airlines and hotels know it. Instead, fly midweek. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are often cheapest. Airlines often release deals midweek, so keep an eye out for those opportunities. Consider traveling in early June or late August when crowds thin and prices drop. You'll enjoy a more relaxed experience and save money at the same time. Shoulder seasons mean better deals and a more relaxed vibe at top destinations. It's the sweet spot between peak season crowds and off-season closures. If your plans might change, look for refundable or flexible fares. They're worth the peace of mind. Unexpected things happen, and having that flexibility can save you a lot of stress and money in the long run. Read the fine print, but a little flexibility can go a long way. Smart timing means more money for experiences, not just getting there. Use the rhythms of the travel industry to your advantage. Understanding these patterns can help you predict the best times to book and travel. Be strategic, and you'll unlock serious savings. That's step 1 to becoming a savvy summer traveler. By mastering the art of timing, you're well on your way to unforgettable and affordable adventures. Next, let's talk about the exciting world of travel deals and how to snag the very best ones. It's all about finding the best deals, and that means becoming a savvy price tracker. We'll explore the power of price tracking tools. These tools are your secret weapon in the quest for affordable travel. Start with Google Flights, then check out Hopper. Don't forget Kayak. These platforms allow you to set alerts for your desired routes, and they'll promptly notify you the moment prices drop, ensuring you never miss a bargain. Hopper even goes a step further and predicts whether you should book now or wait a little longer. This feature takes the guesswork out of timing your booking perfectly. Set up those alerts early, especially if you're targeting popular destinations or have fixed travel dates. Remember, last-minute deals are quite rare when it comes to flights, so booking ahead usually wins the day. Let technology do the heavy lifting for you. That way, you can focus on the fun part, planning your adventure and dreaming of your destination. Consistent use of these price tracking tools means you're always ready to pounce on a great deal the moment it appears. So, book early, diligently track prices, and travel smarter, not harder, making the most of every dollar. That's how you take control and stay in command of your travel budget, ensuring unforgettable experiences without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about some practical strategies. These are the tips and tricks that will help you in making your money go further on the ground. We'll explore how to stretch your travel budget without sacrificing the quality of your experience. One of the best ways to save is to stay just outside major tourist hubs. These nearby towns often offer cheaper stays, a more relaxed atmosphere, and authentic experiences that you might miss in the bustling city center. You can easily day trip into the city, but enjoy local charm, lower prices, and significant savings at your base. It's the best of both worlds. Another crucial tip is to avoid foreign transaction fees. Do this by using cards with no extra charges and always be mindful of the exchange rates. When paying, always opt to pay in local currency. It's also essential to double-check your passport and visa requirements early. This proactive step will help you to avoid costly surprises and last-minute panics. When it comes to dining, Eat where locals eat. For getting around, use public transit. And don't forget to look for free museum days or city passes. These small choices add up to big savings and, more importantly, richer memories that will last a lifetime. Remember, travel is about discovery, not just spending a fortune. Be curious, be resourceful, and your budget will thank you for it. Smart choices lead to unforgettable and enriching adventures. There you have it. My favorite strategies for stretching your summer travel budget. Be flexible, use price tracking tools, and make savvy choices before and during your trip. With a little planning, you'll travel farther for less and enjoy every moment. The world's waiting. Maximize your adventures, not your expenses. If you found these tips helpful, like, comment with your dream destination, and subscribe to Global IQ for more travel wisdom. Until next time, keep exploring and happy travels.